Hello, and this is Big Bang Bot. And before I begin, I'd like to say thank you to all 11 people that subscribed to me during January of 2014. Now, when I made my interview with Darth Vader video like 8 months into my YouTube career, I said in that video that I had 6 subscribers. Well, I basically had 8 because, you know, the annotations corrected me for the time when I uploaded it, but I had 8 then, and that was 8 months through YouTube. And the fact that I got 11, which is a high number in just 1 month, is just amazing. Thank you, all of you. And I hope if this happens, I will get 200 subscribers by the end of the year. I hope we carry on like this. So, now let's begin. MikeyAngryBird, why are you the most impatient boy ever? Seriously, you were complaining that I wasn't uploading this? I mean, don't be so impatient. You've got to wait. I'm the one who's meant to be the impatient one. Yeah, I've grown patience. I'm going to do my reaction on your shrinking birds thingy. Okay? Happy now? I hope you like this video because you've been so impatient, and I hope that you actually find it enjoyable because I can't stand how impatient you've been. Okay, I'm getting a bit angry, but I really do hope that this was worth waiting for. Okay?
So birds, what do you think the beautiful view on the sun? Like this one?
I'm pretty sure that's a lie, not a sun. Not the sun.
Yeah, it looks pretty. I find it looks a bit cool. Man, can't wait for Groundhog Day. Man, and also spring's gonna come early. Yeah, me too. Yeah, possibly it's like 60 degrees or something. Yeah, or 70 degrees. Because it's almost summer. Yeah, summer is coming into June.
Yep, and that's a very long way away. Well, from February 1st, 2014.
Don't tell me for that, Bubbles. Commander? Was Jonathan. My name is not Jonathan. My name is Jeff the Kid. Okay.
Hello, Jeff the Kid.
So, Chef Nightbot. No, not a Nightbot. My name is Just Sheriff.
Hello, Just Chair? Is that what you said he was called? Never mind.
Okay. X-Dynamite! Calm down. Hey. Are you sure you should that bluebird? Yeah. Let me shut down that bluebird. Yeah.
The bluebird's gonna die.
Alright, I gotta capture him. Yeah, let's cheat him. Okay. 3, 2, 1. That's dynamite.
You do realise that you're not a Dalek, you silly black thing.
Oh my god, he's just like shrunk. He's shrunk. Oh my god, I smell. Oh, your voice looks funny. Oh my god.
I wonder what he did with the big one, but well done for hiding the big blue one.
Oh my god, you're almost the size of my beak. Yeah. I don't know. How does it smell? I don't know why. Because why are you small? For some reason. Maybe some robots? What? Those hunters? Trying to hunt down someone? Like us? And also the other people from the Lego movie trying to actually get captured? Or just exterminate? Oh my god!
That bluebird is drunk.
I'm safe.
Well, he's not drunk, he's just
trying to hide. Manager, Joe. No, not Joe, Bob. Get him! Exterminate!
Not like a Dalek, though.
Okay. I give my one dash. Okay, let's send you over the cat.
Escape from the Black Dalek, cool Bob.
Oh my gosh! Exterminate! 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 No! 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 No!
Sorry, but it's a Black Dalek. He's gonna kill you.
Great job, micromanager, Bob. Exterminate! Succeed! Now we guys should deliver it back to Lord business. Lord's business. Our own enemy. Next to the piggies. King Pig for that. Yeah. Who'll save my beautiful angel? Oh, Rossi's your angel. Oh, Foxy I remember because he's my little angel. Next to Bubbles.
Hello.
Oh, next to Pink Bird, he's my angel. Oh, like Leia? Yeah, he's from San Francisco. Oh, okay. Who'll save us?
Hello.
Man, nice morning coffee. Well, it's actually just at 12 p.m. at least. Oh, sorry. Put it back.
I'm surprised you didn't make him sound Canadian, but I guess that'd be a bit racist. And I'm not even going to try speaking like a Canadian person. And he probably won't make the Chef Italian.
Where'd I put it? Just put it here. So, are you sure you're going to clean these trash? Yeah, big one. There. Oh, almost get that carrot. Get it. There.
Wait, that was a carrot? I just need to double check to see what that was. YouTube's being a bit silly. Wait, it's paused, I guess. YouTube's being silly! Oh, I hate it when YouTube is silly. YouTube, wait, never mind. I hate it when this happens. That's not a carrot. So, you do realise that carrots are orange, not, green. And carrots aren't shaped like that. YouTube! Stop being annoying! Because this is really, really, really annoying! I'm just going to have to reset the wait.
Pretty.
Don't worry.
Oh, almost get that carrot.
It's not a carrot. It's a green thing.
Even this broom to get that bone out of here.
Okay, that is a bone.
There. Then. This seems odd. There. Oh, almost there. Almost there. There. What do we do? Get this trash. Oh. Yeah. Okay. We got the old trash.
Okay, that's not very exciting.
Okay, Chef Gordon. Are you sure you will have some cooking something? Oh, like cooking some shrimp Alfredo? Did somebody said shrimp Alfredo?
Yes.
Hey, it's Chef Pee-Pee. Ah! I know Chef Pee-Pee. Oh.
Chef
What happened to
Pee-Pee.
your IT? Let go.
I do know a Super Smash Bros. Melee player called Dr. Pee-Pee. Yes. The winner of Apex 2014 with Super Smash Bros. Melee.
Worst chef ever. No, I'm the best chef ever. I know Chef Pee-Pee. Whatever you are. Who are you? My name is Jack, and the others are Red, Bubbles, Max, Terrence, Bomb, and Hal. Oh, I thought it's actually Al. That's my name is Hal. Well, my nickname is Al. Okay. Have one reason. Why are you calling me Shrunk Baby? Because you look like looks like your skin is yellow rather than brown. Your hat is essentially similar. You have a cooking pot.
I don't know what a cooking pot has to do with peeing. Plus, he does not look pea yellow. He looks Simpson yellow.
This fry pan? Yeah, it's not a cooking pot. It's a fry pan. Please, we need our bluebird back. Oh, like Jay? Yeah. Hey guys, we gotta go to the site bluebird. Oh, maybe I should go to. Oh, you're Dan. Yeah, my name is Dan. Yeah, garbage man Dan. Hey, Gordon. Oh no. Was it? Sorry, nickname you're George. Oh yeah, and also my real name is Grant. Hey, are you sure you will put this coffee here? So hope does not spill it. Okay, let's put it here.
Sorry if I'm being quiet, but there's not really that much to talk about. Seriously.
Are we sure I will save the bluebird? That blue one? Oh, that's fine.
The bluebird. The blue one. You called him Bluebird, so he's obviously going to be blue. You don't have to say that. You don't have to say that he's blue twice.
Maybe you will save a bluebird. Yeah, because he's actually captured by these robots, those mechs. Gotcha. Okay, let me go. There. Now, trash chopper begin. Woo! Wow, I just chopped that 3DS XL.
Okay.
No. Hey, maybe we should hunt down these humans. Oh, Micromanager, keep the bluebird. Exterminate. Okay.
Okay, that was pointless because they didn't ask him to exterminate the bluebird.
Okay. What do you want, Mr. Dan?
I want to eat your bananas and your poo.
Oh, because I want the bluebird back. Oh, like Jay, this guy. And also we have a horse in here. Oh, how about it? You are a useless, lame bots. What?
Yeah, eat them.
Useless, lame bots. Are you kidding me? Die. Ah!
Yay, they're getting eaten. Eat the rest.
Now we're dead. No.
Oh, I wanted them to get eaten, but whatever.
Now I'm gonna say, let me get the bluebird back and kill that. Okay, sorry, horse. I'm very sorry, man. Let me put it here. And the horse, be free. Okay. Who wants some? Exterminate!
Oh my god, it's a black Dalek against a green recycling friendly green robot eating machine thing. I wonder who will win.
Exterminate! Okay, I've saved you, Bluebird. My name is Jay. Whatever. You finally saved. Okay. Hey.
Best reactions ever.
Are you sure the birds has magic powers? We didn't have magic powers. Oh, I do. I have my magic fry pan use this power.
Let me guess, since he's called Dr. Pee-Pee. Oh wait, he turned him big. I thought he'd turn him big and then make him look like pee.
Alright, I'm finally normal again.
Wait, he's called Chef Pee-Pee, not Dr. Pee-Pee. Silly me.
Well, you're sure you are an adorable bird? Yeah, and just looks happy to me. Yeah, because you look lucky you saved. Thank you, Chef Pee-Pee. Or Chef Gordon. Oh, that's Chef Pee-Pee. Ah! Calm down, Gordon. Yeah, after that, maybe I'll let kiss you. What?
Goodbye.
Wasn't my fault.
And then they look at the sun, or the light, for the rest of the day, and that's the end of the video, and it was meh. I think I preferred the previous one he did, but whatever. I still hope you like this, considering how impatient you were, MikeyAngryBird. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. This is Big Bang Bot signing out.